Welcome back to Crypto Mash. Today I would like to share news about TrustWallet. TrustWallet released a browser extension for desktop users. TrustWallet has launched a new browser extension wallet that will support all EVM chains, including Solana, according to a press release on November 14, 2022. Also, the new extension complements TrustWallet's mobile wallet. TrustWallet, the leading self-custodial and multi-chain wallet provider, has announced the launch of its brand new browser extension wallet. Supporting all EVM chains, as well as Solana, it is available for use on browsers like Chrome, Brave, and Opera. The browser extension complements TrustWallet's mobile wallet, which is the world's leading mobile crypto wallet with 60 million downloads and over 10 million monthly active users globally. Both versions of TrustWallet deliver enhanced Web3 accessibility and offer a more seamless wallet experience for both desktop and mobile environments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for daily crypto updates and comment below if you have any questions. Take care, see you in the next video.